Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about a popular question we get a lot, and that is, do commercial bathrooms or restroom doors require door closers? The short answer to that is yes, and here's why. According to the ADA guidelines, or the Americans with Disabilities Act, which is essentially a law passed in 1990 that would prohibit discrimination from people with disabilities. It calls that an ADA compliant door must be self-closing. Now, this can be done with either a commercial door closer or spring hinges. However, most commercial restroom doors are typically, those are typically interior doors, unless it's like maybe an exterior door, restroom door for like a gas station or something like that. But most commercial restroom doors are typically interior solid core wood doors, which are typically, very heavy. And with an 80A door, which is, anywhere from 36 by 80 or a 3068 or 3070 36 by 84-inch door, that's going to be pretty heavy. So a lot of times the spring hinges just aren't really utilized, because they're only good for smaller size doors. Not only that is the adjustability. You can't dial them in like a door closer, which has the main closing speed and latch speed. So door closers are typically the closing device of choice on a commercial restroom door. With that being said, if you have a commercial bathroom door, commercial restroom door, that is not closing right and latching properly, or that is just closing way too fast, and maybe it's the latch is slamming or something like that, you definitely want to look at either adjusting that door closer if you can, or if it's leaking oil or anything like that, it's time to replace it. What we recommend is our Commando door closer, especially for retrofit installations, because with door closers on the market, a lot of them are not actually sized to any type of door. With our unit, we have a completely adjustable spring, so no matter how big or large your commercial restroom door is, the spring can simply be adjusted to meet that door weight or door size. Not only that, our door closers are all grade 1 door closers, so they've been tested for over 2 million cycles and have well exceeded that. So with our units, you're not getting something that's just not going to last. So that's one thing you should definitely think about. And also with commercial restroom doors, another factor is just the layout of the building. With sometimes these restrooms are kind of thrown into the building plans, and just depending on where that door is located, you may not have headroom on different sides of that door, or there may be a wall right beside the door, anything like that. With our Commando door closer, they come tri-pack, so essentially you can mount them in 3 different ways. The top jam, which is when you mount it on the push side of the door closer, or the push side of the door, and it pushes the door open. We call that top jam, and the door closer itself is mounted at the top of the door frame. The other method you can mount it is parallel arm mount. We include the parallel arm bracket, so you're able to do this, but essentially the closer body is mounted onto the door, and the arm is mounted to the frame on the push side. And then finally, with the tri-pack, you can also mount the door closer regular or standard, which is essentially when the closer body is mounted on the door and the arm's attached to the frame, but it's on the pull side of the door. And that's actually the most popular for commercial restroom door, as most those doors swing into the restroom. So a lot of times, building owners don't want the actual door closer device on the outside of the restroom door. So that's a very popular option. But I hope this answers your question. If you need door closers on commercial restroom doors, the answer is yes. And at Automatic Door and Hardware, we carry them. There are Commando door closers, and I'll put a link down below. If you're interested in an automated powered door opener closing solution, or an ADA low energy door opener, we also carry our own Commander unit, which I'll also put a link as well. Very high quality, and our products are designed to meet the billing specs and all of the code requirements, and should be adjusted according to your local building codes, ADA, NFPA 80, and any other relevant code requirements in your area. All right, thanks, guys.